Hi guys, good morning. Today is 6th of August 2018 and it's right now about 8:17 a.m. right now, right? I thought let me, I'm trying my level best, to be able to give you a morning commentary so that you can make up your mind what you need to do the entire, the day. So before I go on to that, I want to take you to my Telegram channel and I request you all to please join ASAP. We give, profitable calls here. And very a huge profitable calls you get from here entire day. Like you can see positional trades have given almost 100% returns and 40% 50% return. That kind of a return you can easily expect in the positional calls, right? So I think you should join, and if you are looking for where to join, where is the what is our Telegram channel, so let me just write it for you and you can join it over here. Just type download Telegram app on your phone and join StockPro. That's it. This is StockPro. This is what you need to join and get calls every day from us. And what I'm telling you here, people say that once you join our course you will earn the fee. We say before you join our course, earn your fee when you feel confident, when you believe that we are the people who can keep your portfolio in green, then join our course. And this is something I don't think so anybody should miss. This is our, we are having a big sale where all our 3 flagship courses will be combined together, which cost roughly about 65,000, is now available for at 40,000 only. And see, if you don't have money, what you can really do is just pay some token amount. I think my team will be able to tell you better. Just talk to them through my website, and they will be able to tell you better. Book your seat and earn your money. These are the ways you can contact my team: through Telegram, WhatsApp, phone, etc. Book your seat, and you can pay through the credit card, you can pay through whatever way you want. You have an EMI option as well, so you can pay just 2,000 rupees a month and you can avail this facility. We will teach you, like we say, that you book your seat, you do whenever you feel comfortable, but avail this offer. I think the amount is 5,000 or so. Just pay 5,000 rupees, book your seat. When you complete the total formalities, you will get the access to all our webinars. Okay, so I don't think so anybody should lose this opportunity. This is once in a lifetime opportunity. Anyway, enough is enough. Now I need to move on. So today, Nifty is on a very crucial juncture. This is Nifty cash that I'm talking about. It's on a very crucial juncture, right? Now, if it crosses this barrier of 11368 in cash, I'm talking about right now, then it is just going to have a blast, right? And similarly, let me look at future and tell you what could be our barrier. It's 11402, right? This is our, it has formed a tweezer top also. Like when a tweezer top is formed, it's a little dangerous sign. The Nifty P is also 28. There is a tweezer top. There's a price rejection 2 days from the higher levels. But at the same time, what I want to tell you guys, I don't see any sign of correction in the market right now. And what basis am I saying that? I'm saying on the basis of looking at the mid cap, small cap, public sector units, public sector banks. I'm looking at the IT sector, rupee becoming weaker. IT sector is doing pretty well, pharma sector is doing pretty well, and banking sector is doing well. The little bit problem with what I see is in the FMCG sector somewhere. So in some of the stocks you can see the profit booking coming in. Infrastructure stocks are doing very good. Power stocks are doing very good. All these PFC, REC, all these public sector companies are doing really well. Like they're on a verge of having a blast, right? So where is the correction? Like I'm telling this based on my research of Friday market. I don't know. Today it may, because we are on a rising high, there could be a little bit more upthrust market may get because of the international scenario. International market is very positive. And then people, when you are on such a high, people do get the fear and the greed. They have a fear of losing out their profits, so they may start booking up their profits. So that could be one sign where there may be a little bit of weakness. But if it crosses 11403 with volumes, I don't see any reason for market to fall, right? According to me, within this week, 10,500 is very, very visible, right? Now, I want to show you each of the stock that I've talked about. Every banking stock, public sector bank is doing extremely well right now. Union Bank, look at it's bottomed out, right? Can Bank, bottomed out. Um, every bank that you look at, Indian Bank, bottomed out, right? From the bottom, they are all bouncing back. Similarly, Karnataka Bank, bouncing back. Vijaya Bank, bouncing back, right? Syndicate Bank. All these down and out banks are just waiting for a upward thrust, right? Look at any bank that you're talking about. Look at PNB standing to go up. Look at SBIN, look at ICICI, look at Axis Bank, all the banks. I'm not saying beautiful run up, this is 15 minutes, but look at 1 day graph. They are just waiting for a breakout, waiting for a breakout. So I don't see weakness in the market at all. Look at any company. I believe TCS should go up today. I mean, according to me, it looks pretty much positive. If you look at KPIT is on my radar for buy today. KPIT is definitely looking very, very promising. Right, I don't have it here, but if I mean, it's looking very promising to me. RCOM is looking very promising to me today on a buy side, and uh, UBL is looking very promising, right? Then I can tell you I have a list of stocks on my radar: SBI, PNB, ICICI Bank, Lupin, Jubilant Food, Hindalco, RCOM, TCS, Infosys, Adani Power, Dr. Reddy, Can Bank, DEL. Uh, all of the stocks are just ready to have a blast. Pharma is looking very promising. Two stocks that I want to give you right away. One is TVS Motor Company, right? Please write it down, TVS Motor Company. Let me just see if I have it here. TVS Motor Company, right? There's the stock that I'm talking about. Looks very, very promising to me. It will be heading up, right? That's one company. And then TVS Electronics, that's the other I mean, from the same group. This is TVS Motor. I'm telling you, TVS Electronics. TVS Electronics also looks very, very good to me. So it's not here, so I gotta remove it. But TVS Electronics also looks very, very good to me, right? KPIT looks good. IDFC Bank looks good. Dish TV looks good, right? And Adani Port looks good. Power Grid is looking very good. Bank of India is looking good. Jan Irrigation, Glenmark Pharma, Ujjivan, National Aluminium, Siemens, right? You name it, and I'm finding it very, very promising today for a upward movement. So please, don't do any of this thing, that you average on, you buy puts and then you average it out. Don't do that game, right? When you see a clear sign of Nifty reversing, then only buy puts. Right now, I don't see there's any reversal sign in market right now. Okay, one sector I forgot to mention, that's the sugar sector. Sugar sector is looking very promising in the sense, any sugar that you talk about, it could be, it is whether it's Balrampur Chini, it's Awadh sugar, it's Mawana sugar, it is Dwarkesh sugar, it is, I had a huge list of sugar stocks, a huge list of all sugar stocks. So just, let me just tell you what all sugar stocks were on my radar. And fertilizer stocks, they are also on my radar. Like I feel market is really ready to move up, so please don't be in a hurry to short, just believing that the market is on a very, very uh, very, very hugely priced, right? So and the reason I have given you the reason. What's the reason? The reason is that when Nifty was going up, the mid cap and the small cap were going down, right? But now it's not that way. Now Nifty is being Nifty's movement in the upward direction is supported by mid caps growth and the small caps growth, right? So that's a very solid growth. I really am very positive today, but I said yet remain warned. Why? Because remain warned because Nifty is on a dizzying height. I won't say a correction is due, but any time profit booking may come into place. So what are going to be on my radar? The sugar stocks, public sector banks, public sector units, pharma, IT, and power and finance companies. These are all on my radar, right? Take care. I'm planning another video during the day, but this was simply market commentary for today. Take care, guys, and join my Telegram channel, because that's where you get roaring calls, which gets you money before you join our course. And take that opportunity right now. There is an opportunity, and when opportunity comes, you should be ready. And if you're not ready, just book your seat by paying 5,000 rupees, right? Take care. Good day. Bye bye. Stay tuned with us on Telegram channel and find multiple bagger calls here from us. All right. Take care, guys. See you a little later. I'm planning another video. Bye bye. Take care.